Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again. Welcome back to our English learning family. I'm Anna, and I'm feeling super cheerful today because we have a lovely topic, something that can help you make new friends from all around the world.
Hello, friends. I'm Mark. I'm happy to be here with you. Today, we are talking about something simple but very powerful: how to talk about your country in English.
Yes, this is one of the most common questions you hear when you meet someone new. Where are you from? Or, what's your country like?
Exactly. And sometimes learners feel shy. Maybe they don't know enough words. Maybe they think their English is not good enough to talk about their home. But today, we'll show you simple, friendly, natural ways to talk about your country.
And don't worry, you don't have to sound perfect. You just need a few good phrases and a warm smile.
That's right, and we'll give you lots of examples today. So relax, listen, and imagine you're sitting with two friends, us, and having a nice chat.
Okay, let's begin the conversation. Ready, Mark?
Ready?
So, Mark, when someone asks you, "What country are you from?" how do you usually answer?
I usually say something simple like, I'm from the United States or I'm from the US. Then I sometimes add something friendly like, it's a big country with many different places.
Nice. That's relaxed and natural. I usually say, "I'm from Canada." And then, if I see the person is interested, I add a little more. Something like, "It's a beautiful place with lots of nature."
Yay, that's a great point. Many learners think they must give a long answer, but you don't need to. A short, warm answer is perfect.
Like, "I'm from Brazil. It's warm and colorful." Or, "I'm from Japan. It's a beautiful country with great food." Or even, "I'm from Egypt. It's famous for its history."
Yes, just one or two friendly details. That's enough to start a good conversation.
So let's imagine a scene. I meet you at a party. I don't know you. I say, "Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?"
And I say, I'm from the United States, and you?
I say, "I'm from Canada." Then maybe I add something like, "It's a little cold sometimes, but it's very beautiful."
And I might answer, oh, I've never been there. What part of Canada are you from?
And now the conversation grows naturally.
Very natural, very easy.
Let's talk about some useful phrases people can use when they describe their country.
Good idea. One simple phrase is, my country is known for. This is a great way to describe something famous about your home.
Yes, for example, "My country is known for its beaches." Or, "My country is known for its music."
Or even, my country is known for friendly people.
That's a sweet one. Another helpful phrase is, "In my country, people usually." This helps you talk about customs, habits, or culture.
For example, in my country, people usually eat dinner late, or in my country, people usually take their shoes off before entering a home.
Ooh, yes, I love that one. And it's so interesting because different countries have different habits. You can learn a lot about someone just from one small sentence.
Another useful phrase, one thing I love about my country is, this shows something positive and it helps you sound confident and warm.
For example, "One thing I love about my country is the food." Or, "One thing I love about my country is the weather."
Right, and you can give very simple examples. You don't need big, complicated sentences.
Yes, please don't think you need complicated English. You don't. Simple is powerful.
Absolutely.
Let's try a longer conversation, a friendly, natural conversation about our countries, and learners can listen and copy the style.
Sounds good. Let's imagine we're sitting at a cafe. You go first.
Okay. "Hey, Mark, do you ever miss your country when you travel?"
Yes, sometimes I do. The US is big and busy. I miss the open spaces and the variety of food. What about you? Do you miss Canada?
I do sometimes. I miss the nature and the clean air. In my country, We have a lot of lakes, forests, and mountains.
That sounds amazing. What part of Canada are you from?
I'm from the west side, near the mountains. The winters are cold, but the summers are beautiful.
Nice. In the US, the weather depends on where you live. Some places are very hot, some are very cold, and some are in the middle.
Yeah, that variety is interesting. My country is known for being calm and peaceful.
And my country is known for being diverse, many different cultures, many different people.
Do you have a favorite thing about your country?
Huh. Yes, one thing I love about my country is the national parks. They're beautiful and they make me feel peaceful. What about you?
One thing I love about my country is the kindness of people. People in Canada are usually polite and friendly.
Yes, I've heard that many times.
Mark, what do you think learners should say if they don't know how to describe their country?
Good question. They can start with something very simple. They can say, my country is small or my country is big. They can talk about the weather, it's hot or it's cold. They can talk about food. We eat a lot of rice or we eat a lot of bread. Simple things.
Yes, and they can also describe the people, right?
Of course, they can say, people in my country are friendly, or people in my country are shy, or people in my country like to help visitors.
I love that. These little phrases help someone understand your culture.
Exactly.
And if someone wants to talk about something they don't like about their country,
They can also keep it simple and gentle. For example, I love my country, but sometimes the traffic is bad. Or I love my country, but the weather is too hot for me. No need to be negative, just honest and friendly.
true, you can talk honestly, but still politely.
Yes,
Mark, can learners also describe what their country looks like?
definitely they can use easy phrases like my country is very green, or my country has many mountains, or my country has long beaches. Visual descriptions are great because people can imagine the place.
Let's practice. I'll say a country and you describe it in one or two simple sentences.
Okay, I'm ready.
Thailand.
Thailand is warm and colorful. It has beautiful beaches and delicious food.
Nice. Italy.
Italy is famous for its history and amazing food. It has beautiful old cities.
Kenya.
Kenya has wonderful wildlife and warm people. It's known for its national parks.
Very good. Now your turn. Give me a country to describe.
All right, France.
France is known for its art and fashion. It has beautiful cities and delicious bread.
Yes, good. Another one, Mexico.
Mexico is full of culture and color. It has great food and friendly people.
Nice.
See, everyone? It's not difficult. A simple sentence goes a long way.
Yes, you don't need a long speech. Just one warm sentence makes a good connection.
What about useful adjectives? I think adjectives really help.
Good idea. Some simple adjectives to describe your country are warm, cold, big, small, beautiful, modern, old, busy, quiet, friendly, colorful, peaceful.
And some for people: polite, friendly, hardworking, creative, funny.
Exactly.
Let's show some example sentences using these adjectives.
Sure, my country is big and very diverse. My country is small but beautiful. My country is peaceful and quiet. My country is warm most of the year.
Yes, and people in my country are friendly, or people in my country are hardworking.
Those are great.
Okay, let's talk about food now. Food is an easy topic for everyone.
Yes, food is a wonderful way to describe your culture. You can say, in my country, people love a spicy food. Or, in my country, we eat a lot of seafood. Or, my favorite food from my country is, and then name it.
For me, my favorite food from my country is poutine.